If Burmese pythons continue to migrate north in the next 15 to 25 years, the ecological, environmental, and human impacts could be significant, especially if warming temperatures make more regions habitable for them. Here's what that scenario might look like. 1. Habitat expansion, driven by climate change. As winters become milder, regions further north, like central Florida, southern Georgia, and possibly South Carolina or Alabama, could become suitable. Python spread is currently limited by cold winters, but climate models predict expanding, climate match zones. 2. Disruption of ecosystems. They prey on a wide range of animals, mammals, birds, reptiles, and even alligators. In the Everglades, they've caused sharp declines in native species like raccoons, down pointing arrow 99%. Opossums, down pointing arrow 98%. Bobcats, down pointing arrow 88%. Similar population crashes could happen in new habitats, especially where prey animals have no evolved defenses against large constrictors. Busts in silhouette. 3. Increased human-wildlife conflict. Encounters with humans, pets, and livestock could rise. Risks to pets and small farm animals in suburban or rural areas may become more common. Seedling. 4. Impact on biodiversity and agriculture. Declines in certain prey species could throw off balance in food webs. They might indirectly affect pollination, seed dispersal, or other roles played by smaller animals they consume. DNA. 5. Genetic adaptation. Over time, Burmese pythons could adapt to colder climates, possibly through hybridization or selection for cold tolerance. That could accelerate and widen their potential range. Balance. Scale. 6. Management and policy challenges. Efforts to control or eradicate pythons are already costly and difficult. A northward spread would stretch conservation resources further and could lead to more drastic control measures, like genetic intervention or bounties. You may be surprised to know. Burmese pythons are primarily found in 2 key regions. 1. Native range, origin, Southeast Asia. This is where Burmese pythons originated. Countries include Myanmar, Burma, hence the name, Thailand, Vietnam, Laos, Cambodia, southern China, parts of Indonesia. They naturally inhabit tropical and subtropical forests, marshes, and grasslands in this region. 2. Invasive range. Python were actually introduced here in South Florida, USA, especially Everglades National Park, through the exotic pet trade, with some escaping or being released. A possible large escape after Hurricane Andrew in 1992, which destroyed pet facilities. They are now an invasive species in Florida, thriving in the wetlands and causing ecological disruption by preying on native wildlife. Can you name the different pythons seen in the video? Please comment and like, share and subscribe.